Coming up, I'd pretend to be Aquaman. So off we go to Krabi. First, I paid my respects to Ronald McDonald before we visited something every airport should have, a massage parlour by the gate. I had 30 minutes, legs and feet. Stacey had 30 minutes on her shoulders. Before an automatic vacuum cleaner went round her. Finally we got to Ao Nang in Krabi. Found a nice coffee place where we had our favourite coffee and fruit smoothie, acai bowl. Down to the hotel, we stayed at the Seakers Hotel in Ao Nang. Very pleasant stay. And despite the cloudy weather we had throughout Krabi, the pool was nice. And there was plenty of opportunities to go on little boat trips. So on this boat trip we're making the short journey down to Railay Bay, and it was beautiful just to sit and watch on the journey. We arrived, parked up our towels. Hello, I'm in Railay Bay in Krabi, and I don't know why, but I just can't get the Jurassic Park theme tune out of my head. I mean, look at this scenery. Just have it in my head that any time now a pterodactyl is going to jump out from there. But it's just beautiful. All sides. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up. The GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition. But we'll see. It's a cloudy day. I absolutely love playing around in the water. So does Stacey. I can stay in there for hours just messing about. Took a little walk up and down the beach. Some interesting goings on along the way. Going to walk through the town, and then the heavens opened. Had to make our way back by boat. Stacey saw her opportunity and she went for it. While in Krabi, I visited Boss Tailors. Got myself measured up for my new suit. These clips are over a few days of going back for fitting. Getting measured up for the jacket now. They let you have whatever you want. I went for the double-breasted suit, two-piece, just off black. And after 3 days, it were ready. The food was amazing. Twice we went to Jungle Kitchen and met our young friend Bew. Chicken Panang Curry, my favourite. Before Bew said her goodbyes to Stacey. Stacey steals my breakfast and then goes and does one of her favourite pastimes, laundry. Few more sights, you'll never find nothing to eat. Thousands of options. And the next beach we visited, you had to walk through caves on East Railay Bay. Slightly brighter day today. Welcome to Panang Beach in Krabi. It's a bit overcast today, but the sun's still getting through. But the water's just like a bath, it's so nice. And then on the way back, we saw quite a couple of monkeys trying to steal food, but they were funny to watch. But now, looking like the coolest man in the whole of Krabi, it was time for my afternoon smoothie. Oh yes. This is boring me to death in these kind of shops, so I've decided what we're going to do is go for a Thai massage for an hour, full body, reputable place where I've checked the reviews, so there's nothing untoward going on there, and it's about between 400 and 500 baht, which is about £10, which is unbelievable. So when she's done messing around in here, we'll get off. A welcome drink and a cool flannel over the face, and we was ready. We had a surprising feet wash, which I wasn't aware was part of the package, but it was nice. Before 60 minutes, full body massage. And I kid you not, it felt like I'd been massaged by a rugby league prop forward. The owner then came to say bye and had to wrap. So we're ending our Krabi experience a little bit earlier, 2 days earlier. We've made change arrangements because the weather's turning. So we've had some nice days in Krabi. It's nice, it's not my favourite place, but it's been nice. So we've made arrangements to go a little bit somewhere different. So where are we going? Vietnam, Hanoi and Halong Bay. So we look forward to that. Okay, see you on the road, see you in Vietnam.